Hi, it's Lauren and Lewis and welcome back to day 62 of our van build. A little while back now we built this curved bench seat in the van. We've since perfected having our toilet slide out from underneath the bench. So it was finally time to finish the sides and give it a top. Lewis started by bending some 3.5mm ply, using the steam from an iron to bend it, and I started cladding off the area near the sliding door. Before I could do that there was a little bit of rust that we'd missed, so I went ahead and treated that. Just got the wire brush on it and then some hammerite paint. Then went ahead and cladded the area, added in some supporting ply and finished it off. In the meantime, Lewis's bending technique wasn't working out too well, so he went ahead and tried kerfing instead, which is basically putting lots of little cuts or kerfs into the wood to try and make it bend easier. This worked quite well, so we got the main face of the toilet slide out on and then a small piece above that too. Went ahead and screwed everything into place, just making sure to pilot hold and countersink first. Finished it off nicely with one of our gold doorknobs from the car boot where we got 15 for £3.50. We then went ahead and added in two of these little ball catches, and for one of them to sit right we had to add a little piece of ply. These will work to keep the toilet in place and stop the drawer runners from sliding Then out. Went ahead and added a 9mm piece of ply on top and made a couple of notches so that it sat correctly. Whilst Lewis was doing this, I went ahead and filled in all of our screw holes. We also cut that piece of ply into two and added a little hinge. The left hand side of the bench seat can now be used as extra storage, and it was then time to paint everything, which was so satisfying. We just went ahead and used the colour we've used on the walls from Dulux and finished everything off nicely. This is the final result. It pulls out really smoothly, and when you push it back in the ball catches stop it and keep it secure.